for the transformation to happen this year. If you didn't, then you need to pay a lot more attention now, because time. It's like a ticking time bomb.
Was off the hook.
Just an amazing time.
It all made sense.
It's a life changer.
Shifts in my perspective.
My biggest aha moments, I must say, self-awareness. This is where I am, and I know where I'm going. No stagnation. It is constant change. No stagnation. Now is the leap. Your quantum leap is now. Do it now. I've already done it.
I had such a great time. I learned so much about myself and about the way how my world is and why it is like this, and where I have to work and what I have to work on. So it was really eye-opening for me.
Amazing guy. I never felt so much energy from someone like him. Very positive. It's been a life changer in my life that felt like I've always needed, that I've been ready for a long time, but never had the courage to fulfill or go forward with, maybe due to fear.
I've gotten so much value out of this, learning about so many different tools and tips and techniques and tricks that can aid in my ability to manifest whatever it is that I want in my life.
The meditations, this mind-blowing, the exercise of getting crazy, being crazy, and the level of love and joy, and then from there peace, and then manifestation. This is amazing.
The real happiness comes from the inside, and money could never buy happiness. But it's all about finding your purpose, finding love, and loving yourself, and then being able to give that to other people.
The value is just priceless. So if you want to have this experience, please come, please be a part of this. And I just want to say thank you to Master and team for putting on such a wonderful event.
Master is amazing, his systems is amazing, and the team is amazing. And I will recommend everybody to go and get it.
Remember, your energy loves attention, so you must come to this event to feel it yourself.